Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is UNSCRAMBLE unscramble THE the LETTERS letters. Unscramble the letters means in this topic the letters are not arranged in the proper sequence. So we will arrange all the letters in proper sequence and we will make a meaningful word. So now I would like to teach you one by one. You can see this is RRIMOR. In this you can see the letters are not arranged in the proper sequence. So now we will arrange and we will make a meaningful word. So which word is this, my dear? So for that I would like to give you the clue. You can see this is a clue. What is this? This is mirror. Mirror spelling is MIRROR, mirror. So dear children, we will write here MIRROR, mirror. So dear children, with the help of mirror, we can see image. We can see our image. So this is mirror. Now this is ROOD. You can see in this also the letters are not arranged in the proper sequence and we will arrange all the letters in the proper sequence and we will make a meaningful word. So which word is this? You can see this is a clue. What is this? This is door. Now the door spelling is DOOR, door. I have taught you bedroom. So in that I have taught you about the door. This is door. In any room you can see there is a door. It is made by wood also, it is made by plastic also, it is made by the metal also. So this is door. We will write here DOOR, door. Now the next is CUBTEK. In this also the letters are not arranged in the proper sequence. So we will arrange all the letters in the proper sequence and we will make a meaningful word. So dear children, which word is this? You can see this is a clue. What is this? This is bucket. Now the bucket spelling is BUCKET, bucket. So we will write here BUCKET, bucket. So dear children, I have taught you bathroom objects and in that I have taught you about the bucket. Bucket, we fill the water and we use that water in the bathroom to take bath, to clean clothes. So this is bucket. It is made by plastic also, it is made by metal also. Now the next is WELTO. You can see in this also the letters are not arranged in the proper sequence. So we will arrange all the letters in the proper sequence and we will make a meaningful word. So you can see, dear children, this is a clue. What is this? This is towel. You can see this is the spelling of the towel, TOWEL, towel. So we will write here TOWEL, towel. With the help of towel, we mop our body. After taking bath, with the help of towel, we mop our body and we make our body dry. So this is towel. Now the next is POAS. In this also the letters are not arranged in the proper sequence. So we will arrange all the letters and we will make a meaningful word. So which word is this, dear? Now I would like to give you the clue. You can see what is this? This is soap. Now the soap spelling is SOAP, soap. So we will write here SOAP, soap. Dear children, with the help of soap, we take bath, we clean our body, we clean our hand also. So what is this? This is soap. With the help of soap, we keep our body clean. Now, the next is LODPHNI. What is this? In this also the letters are not arranged in the proper sequence. So which word is this, my dear? So I would like to give you the clue. You can see here. What is this? This is a dolphin. Now the dolphin spelling is DOLPHIN, dolphin. So we will write here DOLPHIN, dolphin. So dear children, this is very nice water animal. You know, dolphin is familiar with the human beings. This dolphin, human beings, they enjoy with the dolphin. And dolphins also, they are familiar to human beings. So which is this? This is water animal, dolphin. Now the next is HAWEL. In this also letters are not arranged in the proper sequence. So we will arrange all the letters in the proper sequence and make a meaningful word. So which word is this? I would like to give you the clue. This is well. Yes. Now the well spelling is WHALE, well. We will write here WHALE, well. You know, dear children, whale is the largest animal in this whole world. The size is very big and you can find whale in ocean. So this is a water animal, whale. We will write here WHALE, whale. Now the next is RACB. In this also the letters are not arranged. So tell me which word is this? Now I would like to give you the clue so you can understand. See, what is this? This is also a water animal. But this water animal can live in water also and on land also. So what is this? This is crab. C-R-A-B, crab. So we will write here C-R-A-B, crab. So dear children, this is a water animal, but crab can live in water also, and you can see it can live on land also. It is very dangerous. You can see this is the arms of the crab. It is very dangerous. Now the next is ILHO. Now what is this? In this Letters are also not arranged. We will arrange in the proper sequence. So which word is this? Now I would like to give you the clue. This is a celebration of festival. But tell me, which festival is this? The children are celebrating. This is the festival of colors. So which is? This is Holi. H-O-L-I, Holi. We will write here H-O-L-I, Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. We enjoy this day very nicely. We play with colors. We eat different dishes. So this is a festival of colors. Now the next is IED. This is also, in this also letters are not arranged and we will arrange in the proper sequence. Now one clue I would like to give you. This is also festival. Now which festival is this? You can see, my dear. See, this is Eid. E-I-D, Eid. This is the famous festival of Muslims. On that day, they offer prayer in mosque and they wish to each other Eid Mubarak, and they make different dishes, especially Shavaiya. They give gifts to each other and they eat Sevaiya and other dishes also. So we will write here E-I-D, Eid. Now the next is, you can see here P-A-T. Now this is also, in this also we will arrange all the letters in the proper sequence and we will make a word. So what is this? This is, you can see, this is a clue. What is this? This is tap. Now you can see the tap spelling is T-A-P, tap. So we will write here T-A-P, tap. So dear children, with the help of tap, we use water properly. Whatever amount you need, the water we can use, and after using you can turn off the tap, so we can save water and we will not waste the water. So this is a bathroom object I have taught you. This is tap. Now next is K-R-A-S-H. In this also the letters are not arranged in the proper sequence, so we will arrange all the letters in the proper sequence and we will make a meaningful word. So which word is this? I would like to give you the clue. You can see, oh my God, this is a very dangerous water animal. Which water animal is this? This is shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. We will write here S-H-A-R-K, shark. You know, dear children, this is a very dangerous water animal. It is very harmful for other water animals also, as well as the human being also. This water animal, shark, attacks on the human beings also. So this is a dangerous water animal, which is shark. So dear children, at home you will study and scramble the letters. Thank you.